This video, I'll show you how to upload HD photos and videos on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, I'm pretty sure lots of you guys might have uploaded a video or a photo on Facebook, and it might not really be that, will I say, high quality. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload HD videos and photos here on your Facebook. Now, the very first thing you need to do, you need to be using Facebook main application, right? Not the Lite. If you're using a Facebook Lite to upload videos and images or photos to your Facebook account or your Facebook page, that should be, I think, the major reason, right? So if you want to get the best quality option to upload videos on HD, like to upload HD photos and videos here on Facebook, you need to be using the main Facebook application or the main Facebook site, right? So it's very easy. What you need to do, you need to click on this photo and video. You can see, okay, once I clicked on it, you can come on here. You can either add a photo or video. So if you want to add a video, I can scroll down from my selected video. I can just pick this, right? Open it right here. So this video is basically on HD right now because I'm uploading from a PC, right? And I'm uploading from Facebook main application. So that is basically how you can upload HD videos and photos here on Facebook. You need to be using the main application. You need to be uploading from HD, right, to make this thing work out for you. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. If you got some questions you want to ask me, I'm sure you do that as well below. I'll see you guys in the very next one.